Karibu sana mwanjumo rigeria bono obutukobwa rero tuguchaka no roboti rukubwatekana murai bwense ya Kenya muske William Ruto nigo bono hanyare kobaga kuraria asenchira ya bene ogosira kwaye hoyo kabeire homo waziri omonene aiga Kenya Mheshimiwa Raila Odinga onyara kobaka gosiria hobogima bwaye mambe ya rera senya gitari ya masarenge konyora obobwenia asenseria ya India asechinkwana chaye homurai bwense ya Kenya nigo bono atebire nigara chigotenania emiroberio ya yonsi yobokoreri hase egekakia matukare bose obunencheremo yokurwa maskani ochiaso murayo yo hasebo igara ria matukata 5 na bere ochiasaba na inchi wesokia na kumurera homuske Raila Odinga nigo bona mochoro mokonyo yo muske Professor Kithure Kindiki mumuraho mwabo nyagosiro Mheshimiwa Raila Odinga oyubo igoro mo Senator bwe county ya Siaya Oburu Oginga buna habara ya barachekora he committee yo kuroberia amatanga haye Mheshimiwa Raila Odinga murikito Innocent Onyango na twargane roboti rwa senchira y'ubikirano
kubwatekana nogo kwa koyo kabero mu waziri omonene bwense ya Kenya muske Raila Odinga murai bwense Dr. William Ruto niga orokirie ogo ichana kwaye.
It is with deep sorrow that I inform the nation of the passing on of the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, our former Prime Minister, Kenya's foremost statesman, and one of Africa's greatest sons. Kenya, Africa and the world mourn the passing on of a giant of democracy, a fearless freedom fighter, and a tireless warrior of good governance. Raila Amolo Odinga's name will forever be etched in the story of our republic, a story of struggle, sacrifice, courage, rule of law, hope, and of our pursuit for excellence. For decades, Raila dedicated his life to the pursuit of justice, equity, and freedom. He endured detention and persecution so that this nation might know and enjoy democracy.
Murai bwense Dr. William Ruto niga orokirie ogo ichana kwaye. Kukwana ase nyumba enene yoboraime yomucho Nairobi. Murai bwense nigo aralia igakakia matukata nabere yebirero na gochika ebendera kwirukiwa enusu ase chiobisi chonsi cha serikali na bwo chiobisi cy'ubalozi.
On behalf of a grateful nation, I extend my deepest condolences to Mama Aida, his children, Rosemary, Raila Jr., and Winnie, the entire Odinga family, led by my brother Oburu Oginga, to the leadership and members of Orange Democratic Movement, and to all Kenyans who share in this immense and immeasurable loss. In honor of the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga's extraordinary contribution to our nation, I have declared a 7-day period of national mourning, during which the national flag shall fly at half-mast across the Republic of Kenya and in all our missions abroad. As a mark of respect, I have postponed all my public engagements for the coming days, and I ask all other public servants and leaders to do the same so that we can join the nation in this period of mourning and deep reflection.
Ngakiyo murai bwense nigo aralio gochakirwa kwemiroberi yogwenchera no kwenigwa kumuske Raila Odinga. Ngwana yo murai bwense yarorekana ko benyenge nigo yarenga koya mate nabo igaba Kenya bali mu chinga kyechi cy'ubukendo.
In consultation with the family, a committee to be co-chaired by the Deputy President, Professor Kithure Kindiki, and the Siaya Senator Oburu Odinga has been set up to coordinate the funeral arrangements.
Innocent Onyango, Ensoko TV.
No murikito Innocent Onyango mwancho murigaria togosuka bosio kiraba na inchi baganda tegwesokya na gukwandra esabari yaye nyagosira Mheshimiwa Raila Odinga murikito Linet Nyambane ligasanga negati yababwatani abo baikira nase umuchioye Mheshimiwa Raila Odinga sensemo ya Karine County ya Nairobi obesokya na gukwandra esabari umurayo yasaba motogira subura ibwayo buya asaba rurebirero byabo na gusaba serikali yense ya Kenya inyara ko bage koenekia amatanga ya senchirengia nabego koenekia nechi kubwatirira chimbwa ecyumusikera ira arenge ku Rwanda.
negeita kigwirwe asenchere tari ya butambe gochia asaba bwatani banyagosira Raila Odinga oyosiria obugima bwae emambia yeritikoria rero ime yense ya India aseba goswa na kugenderera kurwa amagombabo bono nigo ababwatani abo borokire gwichana kwabo kubwatekana na makwiri ayo asebatebire Raila nigo atigirense ya Kenya asenchera ya matabekani
tole na magomba manene kiaga twasirie kiongozi nigo bono nkolera tole twarira baminto nkolera bale etwatari na magorogoro aswalenge none chigari twasinyikotara na chikiagera abantu barabange kubwa bali tukomigana twatiga chigari atambe bono tugotara na magororo lakini nkolera tole.
Mimi nimehuzunika sana na kitu yenye kimefanyika. Tumepoteza baba na baba anajua ni baba yetu wa Kenya wote na dunia nzima. Mimi nimekuja kuambia familia ya Raila Amolo Odinga pole, na hata kuja pamoja na wajaluo wenzangu wa Kenya kusema pole.
Nonye nabo nigo bakwanira bokoreri bwa Raila asense ya Kenya. Asebatebire niga guche kwinyorwa buna umurai bwanjete ense na kurwanirira obwene bwa Bakenya.
Raila alikuwa uniting factor kwa Kenya. Maana hata mwaka mmoja iliyopita tulipokuwa na shida, Raila Amolo Odinga ndo alikuwa anatuweka pamoja na kushika pamoja na anasaidia Wakenya pamoja.
Tinga kiechecho niga babwatani abo barure birengereri byabo kubwatekana na siasa chobo chori bu mwaka bw'ikiri bubere 2025
Anta abangi bunamanyite nje bunanje no mwana siasa ande abantu mbale barengo mogongo Raila bamubwatirite ko bokerinde ba abalinie gari yae ikobono kerabona tayo timaiti asebe na kibara chebabe iko abantu abanene ogonchirio konena ase byongozi bya Kenya bire banene moro bachite no ODM ngochi bale kugwa
are nayo nigo boigo baruro kuburia gochia serikali gokorobotuki kubwatekana no gukwa kwa Raila. Ngoripoteria Ensoko TV kurwa ase omucho Nairobi erietariane Linet Nyambane.
Ono murikito Linet Nyambane urengase nka yaye nyago